Look around and you'll see it everywhere, symmetry. From the wings of a butterfly to the petals of a flower, nature seems to have a fondness for balance and repetition. This isn't just a coincidence. Symmetry plays a crucial role in the natural world, and it has a profound effect on how we perceive beauty and design. Even in our daily lives, we are surrounded by symmetrical objects. The cars we drive, the buildings we inhabit, and even the smartphones in our pockets all exhibit a degree of symmetry. This prevalence of symmetrical forms suggests that our attraction to it runs deep, influencing our choices and shaping our aesthetic preferences. But why are we so drawn to symmetry? The answer lies in our evolutionary past and the way our brains are wired to process information. Symmetry, it turns out, is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It's a sign of health, fitness, and good genes. Over millions of years, our ancestors evolved to favor symmetrical mates. Symmetry in animals often indicates good health and genetic fitness. Animals with asymmetrical features may have experienced developmental problems, making them less desirable partners. For example, a bird with asymmetrical wings is less likely to fly efficiently and escape predators. Similarly, a gazelle with uneven legs might struggle to outrun a cheetah. These subtle imperfections can have significant consequences in the wild, reducing an animal's chances of survival and reproduction. As a result, our ancestors who were naturally drawn to symmetrical mates were more likely to have healthy offspring, passing on their genes and their preference for symmetry to future generations. This evolutionary pressure has shaped our perception of beauty, leading us to associate symmetry with desirable traits. This preference for symmetry extends to how we perceive human beauty. Studies have shown that people generally find symmetrical faces more attractive. A symmetrical face suggests good health and genetic stability, traits that are subconsciously associated with reproductive success. This doesn't mean that everyone finds perfect symmetry attractive. In fact, some asymmetry can add character and uniqueness to a face. However, studies have consistently shown that faces that are closer to perfect symmetry are generally perceived as more attractive. This preference for symmetry in human faces is thought to be deeply ingrained in our biology. Even babies as young as a few months old show a preference for looking at symmetrical faces, suggesting that our attraction to symmetry is innate rather than learned. The prevalence of symmetry in nature is a testament to its efficiency and elegance. From the spiral patterns of seashells to the hexagonal structure of honeycombs, nature has found countless ways to exploit the power of symmetry. These symmetrical forms are not just visually appealing, they also provide structural stability, optimize resource allocation, and enhance functionality. Humans, too, have long recognized the power of symmetry in design. Ancient civilizations incorporated symmetrical elements into their architecture, art, and everyday objects. The pyramids of Egypt, the Parthenon in Greece, and the Taj Mahal in India are just a few examples of how humans have used symmetry to create structures that are both beautiful and enduring. In modern design, symmetry continues to play a vital role. From the sleek lines of sports cars to the balanced layouts of websites, we strive to create objects and spaces that are visually appealing and intuitively understandable. Symmetry helps us achieve this by creating a sense of order, balance, and harmony. It allows our brains to process information more efficiently and creates a feeling of aesthetic pleasure. Symmetry, it seems, is more than just a visual quirk. It's a fundamental principle that underpins the natural world and shapes our perception of beauty. Whether we're admiring the intricate patterns of a snowflake or the elegant lines of a sculpture, we are responding to the deep-seated appeal of symmetry.